In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Snapchat here in 2026. This is going to be a beginner's guide. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Let's get into this. Now, obviously, when you open up Snapchat, you're going to have to either create an account or sign up or sign in. Enter in your first and last name, add your birthday, choose a username, create your password, verify your email. There's some pretty basic stuff, but I will say make your username unique. Choose something, not too simple because it's probably already going to be taken, but not too complicated either because it's going to be super annoying for people to add you in the future. But whenever you finish signing up, you'll be logged into your account. And when you open up Snapchat, you'll immediately land on the camera screen just like so. At the bottom, you're going to see several tabs: map, chat, stories, spotlight. I'm going to break all of them down. Snap map, which is going to be the far one over here. This is pretty much a rolled map that shows you where all of your friends are added, just like so. You could even scroll through, and as you can see, I have some people over in the UK as well. You can enable ghost mode if you don't want people seeing your location, but this is going to show you your friends' locations only if they have locations showing on. The chat tab right here is where you message your friends, send snaps directly, start group chats, and you can also connect your contacts to find friends more easily. The stories tab right here is going to show you a bunch of different stories, including people that you can subscribe to, which are public stories, discover content, and stories posted by your friends up at the very top. This is super similar to Instagram stories if you've ever used that. And of course, Spotlight is essentially TikTok or Instagram Reels. You could scroll through these videos and even post your own if you would like. It really is as simple as that. Now, if you tap your profile icon up in the top left corner, you can add a profile picture, add friends, view your Snap score, create a public profile, access settings, and you can customize this account however you'd like. But essentially, Snapchat is built around using the camera. From the camera screen, you can take photos, record videos, swipe through filters, add lenses, add text, stickers, and then, of course, you could save things to memories as well. Like, look at this right here. Snapchat may look confusing, but it really is super simple, kind of how you understand it. Once you start using it a little bit more, it's going to help a ton. Add some friends, send your first snap, post a story, and you'll get the hang of it quickly. If this beginner guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.